Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to make clothing bigger. So for this example, I'm just going to use this cute little baby onesie. You can do the same method on any piece of clothing in any size you want. Basically, all you have to do is take other fabric and add panels down each side of the garment to make it wider. And when you're all done, this is what it looks like. So the first thing you're going to do is cut 2 strips of fabric that are the length that you need to add on each side. So I'm just gonna cut straight across. You can stop halfway and fold this up, and then it helps you cut a straight piece. So now I'll start down here and just cut through all layers of fabric as straight as you can. Now when you open it up, you have 2 pieces like that. It's okay if they're a bit crooked, doesn't matter. I'll just cut across the top of this fold. So now we have 2 strips of fabric that we can put on each side of the garment. So you always want to sew from the wrong side of fabric. So we're going to flip this inside out. So we're going to cut along this side seam. You want to use a good pair of fabric scissors. There's a link to these in the description of this video if you need a pair. You're just gonna go in and cut along that seam that's on the side of the garment. So you're just cutting as close to those stitches as you can, and we're just cutting all the way up until we get to this, like that. So now we have one side open. So now we'll do the same thing and cut up this side. So now the garment is open on both sides. So you're just gonna take that scrap piece of fabric and line it up with one of the pieces of your clothing, just like that. And we're gonna sew it in place there and then all along the side like this. So you can just line up the pieces so they're nice and even. This is the serged edge. You can just leave that hanging out. We're just gonna sew through the actual clothing, not this edge here. You're gonna get some thread and stretch it out about the length of your arm, and then cut it, put it through this hole in the top of the needle, that, and then pull it through until the ends meet at the bottom like that. And now you can just smooth it out with your fingers. So we have our scrap fabric lined up with our piece of clothing, and we're just sewing them together like that. So just go through both layers of fabric with your sewing needle and thread, pull it until the ends hang out a bit. Don't pull it all the way through. Now you go back through those same holes or close to the same holes again, but don't pull the thread all the way through. You want to get this loop of thread, and you can put your needle through that loop and pull it shut. And again, we're doing 3 knots like that. So you're going through the loops of thread and pulling them shut. And once you have 3 knots, you can start sewing. So once you have your fabric knotted in place, you can start sewing all along these pieces of fabric. So to sew like that, you're just going to go down and up through both layers of fabric, pull your needle through and get a nice tension in that thread. And then we're going to take a step back and then come out further than where your thread is. So you take a step back, put your needle again through both layers of fabric, and then pull it out further where you were before. So we'll do that again. You've come out here, take a step back, and then come out a bit further, again going through both layers of fabric, and just like that. So we're going to do this all along, down and out through the fabric, and then pull the thread shut. Again, back a step and then out further along and pull the thread tight. So these are called back stitches, and we're just doing this all along until we get to the bottom where the garment ends here. When you're getting low on thread, you want to do those knots, and then you can cut off your thread and rethread your needle. So to do a knot, you just take another step back and then come out close to the same hole you've already come out. You create a loop of thread, put your needle through that loop and pull it shut. So that creates those knots, and we're going to do at least 3 knots right on top of each other through that loop, pull it shut, and then you can cut off your thread and rethread your needle. So we'll just pull out some new thread, rethread our needle, and then you start sewing the exact same way you did before. 3 knots, so down and up through the fabric, pull it through, but not all the way, and then back through those same holes again, creating a loop of thread and pulling it shut. And we'll do that 3 times through 3 loops, pulling them shut, and then you'll just keep sewing down to the bottom. Down, up, take a step back and come out further. You can see we have some extra fabric. It's good. You always want to have a little extra rather than too little. Since we don't need all that fabric, we can cut a little bit off, just like that. But you'll leave a little bit extra and you'll fold it up so that it has a nice folded hem along the bottom there. Now again, we'll go through both layers of fabric. Since we're on the edge, we can go out through one way, down through one, out through the other, and then make that loop and pull it shut into a knot. So we'll make at least 3 knots on top of each other, and then we can cut off our thread and finish sewing the other side. So you can cut off your thread, and now you see you have this piece of fabric sewn on the side. Now we just have to attach it to the other side of the clothing. So again, you'll just make those edges meet at the top like that, and we'll sew it together all the way down. So again, you'll go through both layers of fabric, create a loop, put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. And you'll do at least 3 of those knots. And now we can do those back stitches all along these 2 edges of fabric. So just hold them together perfectly and then back a step and out further. We're doing these back stitches all the way to the bottom. So in this case, I don't have extra fabric at the bottom. I just want to make sure those ends meet perfectly like that. So I'll just stretch the fabric until we get to the very bottom. Now we're at the bottom. You can just hold those edges together, down through one, out through the other, loop of thread, put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. And we'll do 3 of those knots right on the edge of the fabric like that. And then we can cut off our thread. Through the loop, pull it shut. So now we've completed sewing for this side, cut off our thread, and we'll do the same thing to the other side. So now we've finished sewing the panel onto both sides of the garment. We can turn it inside out and we can see how cute it looks and that it's much bigger and wider than it was before. So this is how to make clothing wider. Thanks for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.